Hi, good morning, everybody. Hey, it's Saturday, open house Saturday. Busy day today, but this afternoon I will be at an open house in the Longview community. For those of you who don't know where that is located off of Highway 119, east of Longmont, west of I-25, off of County Road 3.5. It's a beautiful community in there. It's all homeowners, no landlords, and no investors allowed to purchase in there. The unit that I'm going to be at is 3326 Trailridge. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath. Absolutely stunning remodel on this property. They just reduced the price, even though they've been on the market just for a few weeks. The seller would like a sale. It's going to go fast, so if you guys want to stop on out and see what Longview community has to offer, take a look at this house and any others that I have in that community. I'll be happy to assist you and just chat with you. Oh, and I never ever forget, I'm never too busy for you guys, but also I am never too busy for you guys to bring me a coffee. I'm always trying to get that coffee. Hope to see you there.